In this video lesson, you'll discover what the cold-warm contrast is about and how to use it in watercolor painting.
The cold-warm contrast is the difference in temperature of colors. Such colors as yellow-green, green, blue-green, blue, blue-violet, and violet are considered cold colors because they resemble the colors of ice, water, and sky. Such colors as yellow, yellow-orange, orange, red-orange, red, and red-violet are warm colors because they are the colors of fire and the sun. The strongest cold-warm contrast is between blue-green and red-orange. Colors located next to each other, such as red-violet and violet, or yellow and yellow-green, have the weakest temperature contrast. Here's yet another example, this time for the yellow color. Next to warmer yellow, orange, and red, the pure yellow color looks cold. But when it is placed next to yellow-green, green, and blue, this yellow color is considered to be warm.